Alright, I'm about to do something a little sketchy here. There's a glacier in the way, so I'm gonna drive over it. It's not that long, looks like maybe 100 yards. Seems like it's very, very stiff, so I should be able to drive over it. And the dirt road continues. I'm gonna film it on this camera, and I have my GoPro running too. Here we go. Alright, let's do this. Oh, fuck, I already cracked through it. Hopefully I don't crack through anymore. Oh yeah, I am. Should be fine though. Should be okay. Here we go. Woo, my heart's beating. We're just gonna go on a quick little hike, stretch the legs. Been driving all day, my knee's hurting. Even had to get a little lumbar support thing today because my back probably does not enjoy sitting in the car all day. Alright, let's check this out. Alright, so I'm doing something a little different today. There is either the 250 mile ride where you have to drive all the way around Escalante. I'm gonna drive through it. I'm not sure, it's not an overlanding route necessarily. It's all BLM land, public land. So it's pretty much dirt roads for the next 51 miles. It's the longest that I think I've traveled on a dirt road. I've done it before near Sedona on the way to the Grand Canyon. That was actually a really easy one. Never been on this one. So far the road looks really good. So we're going to give this one a whirl. I'm gonna have the GoPro going. There's already someone else driving on it now. So we're gonna try to take this thing clear across all the way to Arizona. So we're in Utah right now. We're gonna cross the border into Arizona over, I believe it's the Colorado River, right by Lake Powell. So here we go. Alright, we're about to enter some canyon here. Should be pretty dope. We'll see. I already spent a little time talking to these people that were also on the trail. They were, I think, a little lost. And I'm fortunately not. Maybe yet. I don't know. Yeah, 64 more miles. Huh? Wait, 64. Wild, man. Well, I guess I'm going to Lone Rock tonight, so let's go. Alright, I'm about to do something a little sketchy here. There's a glacier in the way, so I'm gonna drive over it. It's not that long, looks like maybe 100 yards. Seems like it's very, very stiff, so I should be able to drive over it. And the dirt road continues. Here we go. Alright, let's do this. Oh, fuck, I already cracked through it. Hopefully I don't crack through anymore. Oh yeah, I am. Fuck. Should be fine though. Should be okay. Here we go. Woo, my heart's beating. Woo, my heart's beating. Come on, baby. I have no idea what's underneath this freaking ice, but we're driving on it. Gotta take risks in life. Oh, what is that? Oh, shit. Balls, Batman. That's a river. I think I just drove over a frozen ass river. Oh, God. Yeah, I did. Oh. Alright. Oh, uh-oh. Alright, we're out. We're stuck, and we're out, and we're stuck, and we're out. Oh, baby. Okay. Whoa, that was crazy. That was crazy. All right, here we go. Oh, God. All right, I gotta get back to work. Oh, my jackery almost fell. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Oh, all-wheel drive, baby. Yeah, big tires. Wow. What a section. What a drive. What a place. This is so cool. Oh my god. This is crazy. Yeah, I need to beef my van up. This is so cool. That was one of the wildest things I've done, for sure. Like, I can't believe what I just did. Like, the camera clearly just doesn't show enough. Like, there was some times where I was like, did I put a hole through my oil pan? The shocks in here are already blown out. Everything's rusted in the back. This is a Chicago van. I have street tires on. I've never done this before, and I did it. And, you know, just when your heart's tugging you a certain direction, you just have to go do it. You have to do it just to see what the outcome is. And I'm a curious person. Curiosity kills a cat, they say. Whatever. I got through here. I got through that thing. I still have a freaking ways to go, but now it's on just regular dirt road. Hopefully it stays this way. Yeah, that's really mentally draining, to be honest, though. Yeah, definitely need bigger tires, put new shocks on, new springs, lift. I'm going full overland. Alright, let's get some of our cell signal and fall asleep, because now I'm tired. Let's go. Oh my god. Time for some new struts. Let's hope it's cold. I'm just trying to make some coffee. Alright, I got coffee to make. I'm going to Flagstaff so I edit this, so all of you can see what I've been up to. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold, but it's gorgeous here. But it's cold. I don't know if you can see this, but my water's frozen. 32. Freezing. Just feels even worse right now because I'm in the shade. But once I step here, it's not so bad. Oh, my face is cut off. I'm gonna make some coffee. We're gonna get down from this cliff.